So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel, Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another vlog. And this vlog I'm shooting it from the OSMO Action. So this one is the latest camera which I've added into my kitty. Mainly I wanted an all-rounder camera which can do action photography, and also it can be used for making vlogs, which has a forward screen so that I can see the camera and talk. So this one I picked it up from the recent freedom sale which happened in Amazon, and I've got it at a deal and at a discount of around 20,000. So currently I'm shooting at 2.7K at 30 frames per second. The audio that you're listening in from is directly from the inbuilt microphone of the OSMO Action. And also the image stabilization should also be good, because I've kept it at a default, so it also has the rock steady mode which is directly enabled into on this resolution. So that's something which is there. Let me know how is the audio clarity and also the stabilization. Right now I'm going on top of the stairs, and yeah, just to show you that there's the stability. So, and also one more stable shot getting down the stairs. So the good thing about the camera which I like is that it has a small 1-inch size screen in the front, and it helps in doing vlogging well, because you can see yourself and then vlog. That is very nice. It lights up for at least a minute and then it dims down. To activate it further, just tap on the rear screen. And there's also a small mechanism which is, I guess it is hidden, and that is beside the camera. There's a quick release button, so that you need to hold it for at least 30 seconds to activate the front screen. And also in the settings you get to see that there is an option to expand this image. In the default option the screen is slightly cropped, and when you expand the image, the front screen, by selecting in the menu, you can furthermore expand the image to fit the entire 1-inch screen size. So which is a good feature, but it is a hidden feature. So this is at 4K 30 with rock steady on, and yeah, you can see that the stability is really good, and also the image clarity has improved a bit, so which is nice. The few things which I like about this camera: it has 4K resolution, it shoots in very good clarity, and the rock steady mode is also enabled at 4K 30 frames per second. I hope it is also enabled at 4K at ultra, because that rock steady at that mode is not enabled. But it also shoots slow motion and time-lapse videos. Again, the resolution can move up to 1080p, and also can reach up to 2K to 4K. So the best thing which I like about the camera is that the front screen, the quick toggle option, and also the rock steady mode. I believe the audio clarity also should be coming out good, so that I am going to test it out and further check on whether we have to upgrade for an internal mic, an external mic. So that is something that I'll be checking for. But the other good thing is the case, it doesn't protrude or it doesn't hinder any of the ports, and also the hatch which houses the micro SD card, so that is also a nice thing. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you do so, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.